the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive fate.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the stuff I got for Black Friday. They're here. I got a lot of stuff, and also I'm going to be unboxing some PR, like just showing you guys some things, some new stuff I got. A lot of things I ordered are not here because customs in Nigeria is just a headache. So I ordered a lot of stuff from Juviasplace. Like I ordered their palette bundle, I ordered highlighters, powder, but they are not here yet, so I can't show you guys that. I also ordered from Colorpop. I ordered from which other brand? There are like two brands I ordered from. I also ordered from Fashion Nova, but it has not yet come. So I'm just going to be strictly showing you guys the ones that are here and some new PR products. If you'd like to see what products I have, they're all in a pile here. Please keep on watching. Also give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. This look is already on YouTube, so in case you were wondering, you could check it out. It's the one I uploaded on the day before Christmas, so you could check that out in case you were wondering how to achieve this look. So without so much talking, let's get into the video, guys. So in no particular order, I'm going like this could be a thumbnail. So starting off, this product is from a Nigerian brand. It's called Huda Beauty, and the packaging is the absolute cutest thing in the whole world. Like, they are brow pencils, and I think, okay, this is Ugo. Ugo is the owner. She's so pretty. This is her. It's called the Luxe Brow. It's called the Luxe Brow, and this is what the campaign picture looks like, and the packaging looks very luxurious, but it's very affordable, and it retails for 2,000 naira. It comes in two shades, dark brown and true brown, which are universal shades for our rich African brown skin. Slim pencil for perfect brow strokes and shading, long lasting, matte but still glides on smoothly. Retractable attached brow brush for blending that brow to perfection. Sturdy packaging which helps with the perfect grip. We cannot wait to see the perfect brows you create with the Luxe Brow Pencil. And don't forget, it's all about the brows. Guys, I love this card that they attach. It gives you every info you need to know about the product. Thank you so much, Huda Cosmetics. I'm going to Huda Beauty. I'm going to definitely use this in a tutorial. The next product is from Glam Addict. So this one I bought on sales. Like, I'm currently not wearing these lashes on now, but what else is inside here? Every single lash, like every single tutorial I've done, I've almost worn this lash. So my soft glam look, my birthday look, like a lot of looks, not really my birthday, but this lash it's called Savage from Glam Addict. Let me bring it in. Let me take it out and bring it. Let me bring one of the older ones I have. Let me get it. So just because I didn't feel like opening up this packaging, I wanted to show you guys what the lashes look like here. So this is what the lashes look like. So these are the lashes I've been rocking. They're like the ones I like from Glam Girl Beauty brand, but they are not 25mm. They are much shorter, but they still give me that drama. And they were on sale for like, I think usually the price is 9.5 or so, and they were on sale for like 8,000 something. So I got 3 packs. Like, if I'm not crazy, I don't know what that is. But I have lashes to last me a while now. Okay. Let me go ahead and open this up. Okay. From EA Beauty. EA Beauty is a brand that is very dear to my heart. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. They also have a card here. I absolutely love that brands are doing this. The discount for me is Lydia. Like, EA Beauty is a brand that is very dear to my heart. They are the first brand that sent me PR in 2016, so when I was called like the glitter queen and all. If you knew me from back then, you're a Geo, do you know? Okay, there are new eyeshadows. Oh, so pretty. I should definitely try to do a look with it before the year runs out. It's so beautiful, please. Oh, it's so beautiful. The camera is not even doing it justice. What? Try one, and there's a colorful one. Like EA Beauty this year, man, they stepped up. What can you see? Okay, so this and this, like this is making me so happy. Oh my god, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Like I just had instant goosebumps on my body. What are you telling me? Look at this sage shade here. This one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you see how I think I'm close to crying. I've gone ahead to open this packaging and oh, this is the guys. Huda Beauty has been good to me this year. I cannot even say they haven't been good to me. I did a video using their retrograde palette, Mercury retrograde, but oh, I just said boss. Wow. Can I say how much I love this brown pouch? Like pouch. I just said pouch. Why can't I talk today? Why? Pouch. So it comes in 3 nudes, guys. I saw people do looks with this, but when it came out was like in October, and I was so crazy busy with my filming for SFX looks. But guys, these palettes are so pretty. Like Huda Beauty is very innovative. Let me tell you guys that. Like they don't just follow trends. Come out please, nude. Of course, you don't have to say, oh, because this is for medium skin tone people, this is for lighter people. You can use all the shades. Let me go ahead and open them actually. Super gorgeous, guys. Oh, I love. Thank you so much for that beauty. Like, but I hope you guys heard everything I said. Huda Beauty, thank you so much for this packaging, for these products. Like, I really cannot wait to play. This one I got, it wasn't on Black Friday, a purchase I did for perfumes. I told you guys I was going to buy more perfumes for myself this year. So I got the sample of this perfume earlier this year, and when I bought stuff from Huda Beauty, okay, and I think she sent me a gift of a perfume oil. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my days. Oh, it smells so good. So why I got this was because I got a sample of the perfume from Huda Beauty. She helped me buy products. So when she bought products, I think from Sephora or so, they gave her samples. See, if you want, Huda Beauty helps me order stuff from, like, she's a personal shopper for both clothes and makeup. So she helps me order from like Fashion Nova. She's your plug. I'll put her handle across the screen. But anyway, she helped me order it, and then they gave her a sample which she added for me, and it was a sample of this perfume, Ralph Lauren, Woman by Ralph Lauren. And I told my perfume plug I wanted it. She helped me order it, and here it is. So when I smelled it, I forgot about the scent, but I was clearing out my bags, and then I saw it like there. It was in one of my purses, and I sprayed it, and the thing stayed on my hand all through. When I was cleaning, I had my bath, I left the house, I came back, it was still smelling on my hand, and I had to go back and look at the name again and tell this woman, hey, I want this perfume. So this is what the perfume is. And of course, you know I love gift sets because I'm giving myself it. Here is what it looks like. It's such a beautiful, woo, Jesus, shade it. Oh my days. It has the body lotion, it has the perfume shower gel, it has a sample and the main bottle. This one looks bigger than the one from La Vie est Belle. So this is what it looks like. This is what the packaging looks like, guys. When you just open it up, yes, this is what I want. Yes. Oh my god, I think I got this for like this is making me so happy. God, like scents make me, I think if I ever come out with a product, it will be a perfume. If I come out with a product in my line, it will definitely be a perfume. So yeah, Woman by Ralph Lauren. Thank you so much, Mama, for helping me buy this. She's the plug. Like set cost about 40 something K. Trust me, if you were going to walk into a store in Abuja to buy this perfume, you know how much you will pay for it. The next perfume I got is the La Vie est Belle, and this one is 40k alone. This is the 100 ml bottle because I told you guys that I love this perfume, and my only problem with, or my reason for buying this extra bottle, was because it's starting to become scarce. I don't know whether they are trying not to make it again or something. So that is why I bought this extra bottle. I still have some left, but I just bought this because the packaging is the absolute cutest thing. Let me show you guys. It's the absolute cutest thing ever. It has glitter in it. I don't know if you can see that. And then here it has the Lancome rose. It has the Lancome rose there. I feel like that's one of the signatories to know that it's the original one. I don't know why I'm acting like this perfume is new to me, but can you see how beautiful this? If you want to buy me a gift, if you ever feel like in your heart that you want to send me a gift, buy me this perfume. Just buy it for me. That's all I ask. I don't know why I always act like I want to smell it again when I already know how good it smells. Like, this smells incredible. There's a way the perfume envelopes you. This perfume, like, there's a way it wraps around you. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just beautiful. Let me go ahead and even spray some now. And a little bit goes a very long way. I can't wait till I start to get PR packages of perfumes. Like, that will really make my day. Do you know? The next package, and it's from Huda Beauty. It says cleared by customs. I was very careful not to order a lot of stuff from them during their, this is the one I ordered during their Black Friday. I was very careful not to order a lot of stuff so that I don't have to pay customs, because customs can be bloody during this celebration period. So I told you, oh no, not here, I told you in the makeup tutorial. It came in this their Huda Beauty bubble wrap. It has love. If you like doing this with me, let me know. I feel like it's very relaxing. But I just got a restock of my Huda Beauty Blondie. I got 2 foundations for myself, and I got 4 concealers. I got 2 peanut butter and 1 caramel corn and 1 toasted almond. So these are my baby haul from Huda Beauty. Like, I absolutely love their products. So when I saw that they were on sale, all this didn't cost me about, it didn't cost me up to 50k to get all this. Meanwhile, if we were to buy this alone in Nigeria, it's like 20k. These two, 20k, 22k. Even this, like, so I feel like it was a very good deal. It's a no-brainer. I love Huda Beauty. I had to get on the trying to hurry up because I'm already late for where I'm going to. Oh, this is from Rubelite Cosmetics, and it just has my name on it. It's like a box. It has, oh, I'm coming. I need to do this on Snap.
So I just got this package from Rubelite Cosmetics, and guys, I'm trying to film a video, but I have to show.
So the card is like this, and it says season greetings, wishing you a joyous Christmas season and a happy peaceful new year. Thank you so much, Rubelite Cosmetics. I'm so grateful. They sent me a whole box of stuff, guys. So this is what the box looks like. It's such a pretty packaging. Everything is pink here. They sent me lashes and their eyeshadow. Let me open it and see. I haven't tried out this brand this year, and they're a Nigerian brand. Okay, I look so, excuse me, looks so pretty. Like my heart just calls out to glitter every time I see glitter. And I might use this, I might give it away, who knows. I might just give away this whole box. Yes, that's what I'll do. That'll be my Christmas gift to someone. Oh, this is so pretty, because I really don't want to use it and get just one use out of it. So I'm going to give this away, and I'm not going to state that I'm giving it away in in the video. So if you watch until this point, this is going to be your lucky, like, thank you for watching till this point, okay? But to get this whole box of Rubelite Cosmetics products, like, it's filled with goodies I just showed you guys, all you have to do is leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you learned, like what was your absolute, what you've learned this year. That's 1. 2, how you spent your Christmas. 2, and 3, just tell me a bit of your, I want to make it simple, so let's just leave it at, tell me how you spent your Christmas, and tell me one very valuable lesson you learned this year. Also include your location as well and your Instagram handle, so you get to win one of these. I'm going to pick a winner before the New Year's. I'll pick a winner. Oh, this is from Lost Star. Guys, like, these people, their glitter glue, if you're still sleeping on it, I still have it. Look at it here. It's always with me when I'm filming. I was about to get through this, but I wanted to get another one for my kids and this for myself. So I reached out to them and I said I wanted to buy. I really wanted to buy. Oh, they even sent me lashes. Oh, and more glitter. Oh my God. Oh, thank you so much, Luster. Oh, I love the packaging. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I wish I saw this PR earlier. I would have won this Mali or this Kampala. They're a Nigerian brand and they do amazing stuff. These are their pigments. I'm not even going to try to open them up, but I'm definitely going to use them. Someone asked me to make a video of how I work with glitter, so I'm thinking of making that video, how to work with glitter on your eye, to make a liner, to do eyeshadow on your lips, anywhere. So if you want to see that video, I need to know that you guys want to see it. So if you want to see it, you know what to do, leave me a comment down below. And then they sent me a re-up of my, this is a very pretty pigment, they sent me a re-up of my favorite glitter glue right now. Like, since I got this, no jokes, since I got this, I've not touched this Benai, like, and I've been using Benai for years. I've been using glitter for years. I've been using Benai for years. This just is amazing. It works with pigments as well. It works with glitter. It's just beautiful to work with. Like, it's not pepperish. This one I find with most of my clients, their eyes, they complain of it being pepperish, but this is not pepperish at all. Just for $2.5, and you are still sleeping on this product. This cost about $4.5 or so to buy. This is just $2.5 and it does the damn thing. Like, I can't use this with pigment because it's very watery, but I can use this with pigment, I can use it with glitter. And I love that it's shaped with it's shaped in form of a lip gloss, so it makes it very easy to apply. But anyway, bomb stuff. Thank you so much, Luster. So yeah guys, that completes the video. I hope you enjoyed watching up until this point. Once again, if you want to enter the giveaway, you already know what to do. That's like going to be my secret gift to all of you who watch me to the end. So thank you so much for all your support this 2019. I know 2020 is going to be even more amazing. You guys are the absolute best. I love you guys so much. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Very important. Don't forget, I know you like me, but sometimes you might forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my videos, so please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let that be your gift to me. Let that be your gift to me. I'm already late for the event I have to attend, so please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I still owe you guys like 2 more videos before the year ends. Yeah, maybe 2 or 3 more, I'm not sure. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.